little green bean. Yeah, little green bean snack. There you go. There you go. Yeah, everybody likes green beans. The bunny likes them. The doggies like them. We're going to see how the chickens like them. They're watching like, what are we missing out on here? Come on, let me see. Let me get in the tier with the girls. Hey, girls. Hey, Mr. Rooster. You pretty thing. Oh, we got green beans tonight, girl. Let's see. Would you like to eat one out of my hand? Huh? Well, there you go. Would you like one? There, come on. There. Go be the next one. Would you like one? Yeah. You can try it. Yeah. Oh, yeah. There you go. We're thinking about it. Look at all of them. They don't know. They won't. Okay. We're going to throw them and let them rain green beans. Oh, boy. There, Miss White. They love it. So don't waste your green bean tops. Throw them to the chickens or give them to the dogs for treats. Even the bunny likes them. And they're all healthy for them all. Fresh green beans. The dogs will be mad if I give them all to the chickens. So let's give the dogs another one too. Come on. Let's get out of here. Here you go. Here you go.